Everyone, I am Uttam Singh, and in this video I'm going to talk about where to find opportunities in blockchain and Web3 space, right? So I receive a lot of DMs, people asking me where to find Web3 job opportunities. I want to get internship in Web3 and blockchain, so where I can find it, right? So in this video I'm going to share some resources and platform from where you can go and find full-time job offers, part-time job offers, freelancing opportunities and internships, right? So let's get started with our video, but before that, subscribe to the channel right now and also hit the bell icon. So our first website is Crypto.jobs.co. It is the oldest and one of the best blockchain and Web3 job opportunities websites. So it is the leading job board for blockchain jobs and cryptocurrency jobs, right? So here you can also post a job and you can find a job. So if you click on this find a job button, you will go and you can find these opportunities. So these are the companies who are hiring. So you can search whatever job you want. So if you want a design job, you can click here. If you want engineer job, finance, marketing, non-tech, operations, product sales and others as well. And also if you want a particular location, you can write as well. So these are the few companies that are hiring and are mentioned on this job board. And also some of the organization mention their stipend and their amount they pay as well, right? So here you can see that for a lead accountant manager, the average salary is $150 to $200K, right? So this is our first platform, and now moving forward to our second platform, and that is Crypto.jobs.com. So this is also one of the biggest cryptocurrency jobs and Web3 jobs and blockchain jobs platform, right? So here it is also written that you can discover 300,000 plus open cryptocurrency jobs, Web3 and blockchain jobs, right? So here also you can search whatever job you want. So if you want remote jobs, you can click here and you will see all those remote jobs, right? So in Web3, there are a lot of remote jobs. So you can sit here, you can be anywhere and you can still work, right? So you can check here as well. And also there is one more thing that you can be asked to pay in crypto, right? If you want, you can be paid in crypto. So this is one of the feature of this platform. Other than that, you can also simply search whatever you want. If you want an internship, you can click on intern and you will see all those internship opportunities like engineer intern at Brave, intern capital formation at Pantera Capital, and all these internships are there and you can apply. And you will also see that there are a lot of jobs and internships in Web3. All these things are not very late. See, this is 2 days ago, this is 6 days ago, this is 3 weeks. So there are tons of opportunities in Web3 and blockchain. So you can get started with it. And you should definitely apply to these jobs. You need to understand nobody is an expert and everybody is learning in Web. So now moving on to our next platform. The next platform is Crypto.jobs.com, right? So you can start your career in Bitcoin and crypto from these websites. So you can see there, these are featured crypto companies like Coinbase, BitMax, Galaxy, and there are 52 jobs. You can see 22 jobs. So all these companies are hiring. And here you can also see that it is full-time for front-end engineer, core engineer, senior software engineer, right? So now moving on to our next platform. The next platform is Web3.career. So there are 13,600 jobs in Web3 right now and 1,647 Web3 projects. And this record is whenever I am shooting, right? And I am pretty sure that this amount is going to increase in 1 year and it is going to be a lot. So whenever you are going to visit these websites, the jobs are going to be 10x, right? So you can type your email as well and you can subscribe to their newsletter. So you will receive an email with all those opportunities, right? So here you can find remote. So if you want remote opportunities, you can click on that button and you will see all those remote opportunities, right? So you can work as a student and content and a social media marketing. It is in Berlin, Germany. So if you are a student, if you are watching this, then you can also be a part of Web3. You can work in Web3, right? So these are opportunities, right? These are, also non-tech opportunities. So you can go on to the non-tech, you can learn, and later also you can switch, right? So just main thing is getting into Web3 and getting started with it, right? And they don't require you to be an expert. They just want you to be curious and they just want you to be there, right? So here you can see that there are millions of jobs, developer relations, Golang engine, infrastructure, all these opportunities are remote, right? And if you want to find internships, full-time, part-time, you can write here and you will find, right? So moving on to our next platform. Our next platform is Crypto.jobs. This job portal has 3046 plus active blockchain jobs listed. So you will also here find remote opportunities like PM project manager, lead developer, senior blockchain engineer, product designer, UI, UX and everything. So you can also search here as well for location, for your skill, internship, full-time, part-time and all these things are there. And you can also follow all these platforms on Twitter, Facebook or their social media channels. So you will get a notification whenever there is a new post everywhere, right? And also you can subscribe to their newsletter as well. So moving on to our next platform. Our next platform is useweb3.xyz. So this is a platform or this is a website where you will find all those things that we use in Web3, right? You will find books, you can find code challenges, you can find courses, you can find guides, movies on all these things and tutorials and everything. So if you want to learn Web3, then this website is the master website. You know, it is the GFG of Web3, right? So you will find everything in here, right? So this is the job portal of that particular website, but so feel free to visit all the other resources as well. And trust me, this is the best resources that you will get, right? So for this, you will find here Web3 jobs as well. And you can also post your job. There are tons of jobs out there in this platform as well, like DevCon, front-end web developer. It is for Ethereum Foundation, right? And Ethereum is also hiring. Yes, there is Ethereum Foundation that also hires. So you can work in Ethereum as well. And there are technical project managers. So if you want to be a project manager, there are tons of jobs as well. And also you can find here engineering, product, sales, marketing, people operations, non-tech jobs as well. And if you want, you can find an internship here as well, right? So now moving on to our next platform, that is Bankless.palette.com's jobs, right? So this is a platform by Bankless where you will find crypto and DeFi jobs, right? So here you can find jobs according to your preference like marketing and growth, senior software engineer, corporate finance, data analytics. So the Web3 world is growing and every company needs all those jobs. So all those jobs that were there in Web2 will be there in Web3 as well. So you can find all these jobs here, and for this platform particularly, you can log in and sign up as well. And you can find according to companies as well. And if you want, you can start hiring as well, right? Now moving on to our next platform. Our next platform is DeFi.jobs. So welcome to the job board for future of finance. DeFi is a decentralized finance, right? Right now we have finance, but in crypto or in Web3 world, we will be having a DeFi, right? Decentralized finance. So you can find all those DeFi jobs here as well. And this is also one of the best websites to get freelancing opportunities as well. Definitely you will get all those opportunities, but it is good for freelancing as well, right? You can see that for cartoon cyberpunk artists, they are willing to pay 50k to 200k, right? It is a lot, and it is definitely a lot, right? And you can also see that all these jobs are negotiable. So you can negotiate for your salary, and also for graphic designer, they are paying 100k to 250k. Isn't it amazing? And this is freelancing, right? So if you are a freelancing guy, you should definitely check out this one. There are a lot of non-tech and tech opportunities, so you should definitely check out. And there is again newsletter which you can subscribe to as well, right? Now moving on to our next platform. Our next platform is Crypto.careers.com. So this is also one of the website where you can find blockchain and cryptocurrency jobs. So you can also see here that maximum of the jobs are remote. They don't want you to relocate, right? They want people to work from anywhere where they want, right? So all these and maximum of the jobs are remote jobs, and these remote companies are paying a lot. Now moving on to our next and the last platform, that is laborx.com. So it is also one of the best website for finding freelance opportunities, right? So you can see that it is a pay and earn crypto freelancing services, like so LaborX is a blockchain jobs platform that helps clients and freelancers, right? So you can find jobs as well. You can also find gigs as well, right? Gigs are the small things that you can be paid off, or it is a freelancing opportunities, right? So you can explore gigs and you can also find jobs as well. When you scroll down, you will see 12,743 gigs on this platform. Gigs is also just like freelancing opportunities, right? So you can see that there are a lot of gigs as well. You can click on show more gigs and it will redirect you to all those gigs that are present on these platforms. And there are also crypto jobs as well. So you can apply to these jobs as well. So this was the last website and platform for finding blockchain and Web3 job opportunities, right? So this is all for this video, and if you found this video helpful and resourceful, then hit the like button and also share it with your friends so that they can also find Web3 and blockchain jobs. And also connect with me on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Follow me. I share a lot of insights over there as well. And also hit the subscribe button right now if you haven't subscribed it yet. And also check out the other videos as well. I've created a Polygon DeFi playlist where you can learn how to interact with the Polygon network. Thanks a lot for watching.